Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How are you doing today? I am I'm good. I am okay. It's hot. It's hot now. It's hot. It's hot. Okay, so what to do today? What to do today? You can see it's animals, yes? This animals. Okay. So today, don't worry. I won't take too long. I won't bore you. No, 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 no. Mm-mm. I will just tell you, and then go. Okay. So, today we are talking about animals, yes? This one says, where do animals live? Where do animals live? Animals live in different places, yes? So some animals live in water, like here, like so. Some animals live on land, like so. And some animals, well, they don't live, but they get to fly in the sky. Yes, some animals get to fly. So we will say different places where animals live. Okay, so I will just explain a little and then do basically just a whole quiz of where you'll find this animal, where you'll find that animal, where you'll find that animal. Okay, so it's just easy. Today, not too big, not too difficult. Easy, easy, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, all right, so let's do this. So, let me see, let me see, let me see. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop. Okay, but before I do this video with you, let's listen to a little song. I like this song very, very much. It's so sad, but I like it. Okay, it's called Birds. I like the song, and I hope you like it too. It's sad and sweet, and let's listen. Okay, so here's the song now.
Two hearts, one valve, pumping the blood. We were the flood, we were the body, and two lives, one life, sticking it out, letting you down, making it right. Seasons they will change, life will make you grow, change will make you cry, cry, cry. Everything is temporary, everything will slide, love will never die, die, die. I know that birds fly in different directions. I hope to see you again. Sunsets, sunrises, living the dream, watching the leaves, changing the seasons. Some nights I think of you, reliving the past, wishing it lasts, wishing and dreaming. Seasons they will change, life will make you grow, death can make you hard, hard, hard. Everything is temporary, everything will slide, love will never die, die, die. I know that birds fly in different directions. I hope to see you again. I know that birds fly in different directions. I hope to see you again. Birds fly in different directions. So fly high, fly high, so fly high, so fly high.
There you go. Birds fly in different directions. Okay? So, be nice to each other. Be nice to someone else. Don't be rude. Okay? Always be nice. It's good. So, don't be, don't bully other people. Don't bully other kids. Don't. It's not nice. Always be nice to each other. Help each other. Okay? So that song is about helping each other. Don't bully someone else because they are different. I am different from you, yes? My skin is different from your skin. But you like me, yes? Well, I think you like me. So don't be rude to someone different from you. Okay? Okay. Let's do this then. All right. So, as I was saying, let's see, what's the first one? Oh my God, what's happening? What's happening? Oh, there you go. So we say land animals. So there's land animals, okay? So land animals, I don't like saying land animals. Happiness. Not everybody, happiness. Because because I want to teach you like a different English word, you know? So I don't like saying land animals. Mm-mm. It says land animals live on earth. Earth is in like on land, on the grass, on the soil. Earth. This is earth, okay? So land animal. But you can also say terrestrial animals. Terrestrial. Terrestrial means land. So terrestrial animals. I'll show you the word terrestrial just now. So give me a minute. There you have it. So this is terrestrial. Terrestrial. So terrestrial animals means animals that live on land. On land. On earth. It's terrestrial animals. So don't forget, if I say, what is a terrestrial animal? You say it's an animal that lives on land, or it's an animal that lives on earth. Okay? For some reason, I don't like Earth, so just say it's an animal that lives on land. Okay? We did planets, remember? Planets, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Okay, so one more time. Terrestrial animals. Forget the air. Don't say the air. Just say this. Terrestrial animals. It's animals that live on land. Okay? So, can you tell me animals that live on land? Can you tell me which animals live on land? You need to tell me that. There's what? Da 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 da. Which animals live on land? A dog. A dog lives on land. It doesn't live on water. Yeah, it doesn't live in water. Yeah, no. But a cat. Mm-hmm. A zebra. Uh-huh. What else? A lion. Uh-huh. A tiger. There's so many animals. Okay, so those are animals that live on land. Okay, I'll show you some later and you will have to tell me. All right, so what's next? So these horses, rhinos, dogs, rabbits. Dog. Why did I put dog? I don't know. Anyway, so these are terrestrial animals. They live on land. Okay. Now we have aquatic animals. Aquatic. Aquatic means, sorry, animals live in water. Aquatic animals live in water. Don't forget, terrestrial animals live on land. Aquatic animals live in water, in fresh water, in the ocean, in the sea, in rivers. There, those are aquatic animals. And what lives in fish? What lives in water? Fish, sharks, octopus. Well, many octopus. You don't say octopuses. No, you say octopi. So octopi. Uh, yeah, so many, so many. Yes. Let's see. What are we talking about? Before we go, aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. There you go. Animals that live in water. Animals that live in water. Okay. So you have you know this movie, Finding Nemo. There you go. You have a fish, you have a starfish, you have a dolphin, you have an octopus. So these are animals that live in water. Okay. All right, and then we have air terrestrial animals. So air terrestrial animals basically it's animals that fly in the sky, that fly in the sky. Those are air terrestrial animals. Let's say this one more time. Air terrestrial animals. Air terrestrial animals. So air terrestrial animals fly in the sky. Okay, so now we have three different animals. The three different types of animals, yes? What's the first one? Terrestrial animals, yes, or land animals. Very good. Terrestrial animals. Where do terrestrial animals live? Terrestrial animals live on land. Very nice. Thank you. Now, what's the second one? Aquatic animals. Yes, aquatic animals. And where do aquatic animals live? Aquatic animals live in water. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, and now we have air terrestrial animals. And air terrestrial animals are animals that do what? They fly in the sky. They fly in the sky. Thank you. So, terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, air terrestrial animals. Thank you very much. Okay, so now these birds. Oh, these are birds. I forgot the name of this bird, but let's just say bird, okay? And then we have a hawk. Oh, an eagle. This is an eagle. We have an eagle. And this is I forgot this. I forgot the name. Yeah. So these they fly around. Yes, so these are flying around. And someone asked me, hawk, eagle, what's the difference? What's the difference between a hawk and an eagle? Okay, so a hawk and an eagle are almost the same, okay? But a hawk is bigger than an eagle, okay? A hawk is bigger than an eagle, but they're almost the same. They eat almost the same thing. Snakes, mice, little birds, fish, and all that. So almost the same. But hawk, bigger, eagle, a little smaller, but it's still big. Okay? Okay. So now, my little quiz. What is this? This is sheep, yes? So sheep. Is it land animal, aquatic animal, or a terrestrial animal? Very good. Land animal. Very nice. Okay. Now, what is this? An eagle. An eagle. An eagle. Yeah, yeah. An eagle, is it land animal, aquatic animal, or a terrestrial animal? Yes. A terrestrial animal. Yay. Very good. Good. And what is this? Ding, ding, ding. A dolphin. So this is a dolphin. A dolphin, is it a land animal? Very good. Aquatic animal. It is an aquatic animal. Aha. And what is this? This is a rhino. A rhinoceros. A rhino. A rhino is a land animal. Very nice. Is a terrestrial animal. Okay, guys. Everyone, we are going to say terrestrial animal, okay? Let's not say land. Let's say terrestrial. I'm going to change my slides and say terrestrial, okay? Okay? Okay. Oh, these birds are so cute. Okay, so are these birds terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, or air terrestrial animals? Air terrestrial animals. Very nice. Thank you. And ooh, oh my god, this dog is so cute. And then, so this dog, is it a terrestrial animal, aquatic animal, or a terrestrial animal? Terrestrial animal. Very nice, very nice. Thank you. And then, oh, little piggies, piggy, piggy, oink, 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 oink. So these pigs are terrestrial animals. Very nice. Thank you very much. And this. This is not a crane. I forgot. What's the name of this bird? Who knows the name of this bird and they can tell me? Hmm. People have to tell me the name of this bird. I forgot. I forgot. You have to tell me. I will ask you when I see you, and you have to tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. Okay, so this is a terrestrial animal. Very good. Now, and this one, an octopus. Blech. An octopus. This is an octopus. You guys eat an octopus, don't you? So you eat this. Blech. You eat octopi. Mm, yeah, no. Anyway, an octopus is a aquatic animal. Yes. My bad. I'm sorry. An octopus is an aquatic animal. N. Mm-hmm. Oh, little rabbit. Tootsie, yeah? Tootsie. Tootsie. Ooh, yes. The little rabbit is, little bunny is a terrestrial animal. Uh-huh. And fishy. What is fishy? So fishy is a aquatic animal. And there you go. So this is the last one. This one is aquatic animal. Very nice. And the last one. I thought that was the last one. This is the last one. This one is a terrestrial animal. Very good. So this is it, guys. This is it. Yay! Okay, so this is just the end. Like I said, today is easy. We just do animals. I mean, terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, and air terrestrial animals, where animals live. So this is it. Nothing more. Eh, Finished. Okay, so this is it for today. And next week, I'm not sure what we will do next week, but I think it's about animals again. So we'll see. I will see you next week. And before I go, I will play you again that little video of being nice. Don't forget, be nice to everyone. Okay? So, see you next time. Bye.
2 hearts, 1 valve, pumping the blood. We were the flood, we were the body, and 2 lives, 1 life, sticking it out, letting you down, making it right. Seasons, they will change, life will make you go, change will make you cry, cry, cry. Everything is temporary, everything will slide, love will never die, die, die. I know that birds fly in different directions. I hope to see you again. Sunsets, sunrises, living the dream, watching the leaves, changing the seasons. Some nights I think of you, reliving the past, wishing it lasts, wishing and dreaming. Seasons, they